Hello everyone. Today we are here with another wonderful fellowship opportunity for higher studies in Japan. That is the IFREC Kishimoto Foundation Fellowship Japan. By the end of this video, you will get a brief idea of IFREC Fellowship, its benefits, eligibility criteria, most important documents, and the process to apply. Let's get to know what is this fellowship is all about. The IFREC Kishimoto Foundation Fellowship, Japan, is a prestigious program offered by the Osaka University Immunology Frontier Research Center IFREC to support young non-Japanese researchers in the field of immunology. Moving forward to a detailed overview of this fellowship, the Kishimoto Foundation Fellowship was established to promote advancements in the field of immunology research and facilitate international collaboration. Named after Dr. Tadamitsu Kishimoto, a renowned immunologist known for his work on interleukin 6, the fellowship embodies the Foundation's commitment to fostering innovative research in biomedicine at Osaka University. This fellowship is also loaded with wonderful perks and benefits like employment. Successful candidates will be employed as specially appointed researchers on a full-time basis for up to 3 years with annual contract renewals. Then, salary. The annual salary is approximately 4.7 million yen, aligned with the salary regulations for National University Corporation staff. Then, insurance. Fellows will be enrolled in the National Public Service Mutual Aid Association as well as employment insurance and worker accident compensation insurance. Lastly, research environment. Access to cutting-edge facilities and collaboration opportunities with leading researchers in immunology at IFREC. So, to qualify for the fellowship, applicants must meet the following eligibility criteria. First, be a young researcher of non-Japanese nationality. Then, have a strong interest in conducting joint research with an IFREC researcher. Then, documents required. Applicants must submit the following documents via email. First, curriculum vitae. Then, list of publications. Third, researcher plan, approximately 1,000 words detailing the intended research and preferred laboratory. Fourth, list of a scholarship received in the past 5 years. Lastly, 3 letters of recommendations from referees, and all these documents must be written in English. Now, let's get to know the process to apply for this fellowship. First, prepare the required documents as listed above. Second, send an email to ifrec.office@ifrec.osaka.uac.jp with the subject line application for Kishimoto Foundation Fellowship. Third, ensure that your application is submitted before the respective deadlines. First, for employment starting April 1, submit by the end of November of the previous year. For July 1st, submit by the end of February of the same year. For October 1st, submit by the end of May of the same year. For January 1st, submit by the end of August of the previous years. So, if you're interested in pursuing this unique opportunity to advance your research career in Japan, consider joining our study abroad training and consultation session. We can provide guidance on preparing your application and navigating the fellowship process effectively. Contact us today to learn more about how we can assist you. Thank you all.